Hun, check out this house. A 3-bedroom hidden gem. I think I found our dream home.
Oh, it looks beautiful. It must be expensive, though. Can we afford it?
Maybe. It's currently selling for $525,000.
$525,000? That's not too bad. It's a little over our budget.
$25,000 over.
It's just the starting offer. If we can negotiate a better price, maybe we can afford it.
I was thinking the same thing.
Where's it located?
In a suburb called Camino. It's about a 25-minute drive north from the city.
That's not bad at all. What about the house features? What's listed?
It says it has 3 bedrooms, including an ensuite in the main bedroom, another bathroom downstairs on the first floor, a 2-car garage, built-in wardrobes, a big living room, a recently remodeled kitchen, and even an outdoor entertaining area. It's perfect for us. The kids will love it too.
It does sound really nice. What about the school district? If we can keep the kids where they are, that'd be great. I'd hate to have to transfer them to a new school.
Yeah, they'd probably prefer that too. It's in the same district, right on the borderline though.
How about public transportation and shopping?
The listing says it's close to everything, but it doesn't mention anything specific.
Almost seems too good to be true.
I was thinking of calling the agent now to set up a walkthrough.
Yeah, let's do it.
Good morning, Turtle Real Estate. This is Trevor. How can I help you today?
Hi, Trevor. My name is Steve. I saw one of your house listings posted online just a few moments ago, and I'd love to get a little more info and maybe schedule a possible walkthrough.
Oh, excellent. Which listing were you looking at?
It's titled A 3-Bedroom Hidden Gem.
Oh, yes, the one on 13 Falcon Avenue in Camino. That's a great piece of property. Good eye.
That's the one, yeah. Can you tell me a bit more information about the property and the nearby vicinity?
Sure. Well, the house was listed just a few hours ago today, so I'm a little surprised how quick the response has been so far. A few people have already expressed interest.
Oh, really?
Yes, it's a very underpriced house. A true bargain, I must say. I won't be surprised if it gets sold quickly.
It looks great from the pictures. May I ask why the owner is selling?
The current owner is an elderly woman living by herself, and she's looking to move to a smaller residential apartment. The house was getting far too big for her to live and maintain on her own, and so she finally decided after 50 years of living there to put the house on the market. Time for her to move on.
Wow, 50 years. From the photos, it looks like the house was recently renovated.
Yes. Around 5 years ago, the owner did some minor renovations to spruce up the house.
I see. My wife and I also wanted to know if the house is located near schools, public transportation, and the mall.
It is. The house is only a 10 to 15 minute drive to several excellent private schools. The nearest train station is only a 7 to 8 minute walk, and the mall is only a 5-minute drive away. For a family with young children, this house is perfectly located.
We thought so too. That's why I had to call right away. If it's possible, I'd like to see the house today. Would that be okay with the owner?
I'll need to notify her first, but I believe it shouldn't be a problem. The owner wants to sell the house as quickly as possible.
Of course, I understand.
Let me grab your name and contact details, and I can call you right back.
Yes, definitely. My name is Steve Bean, and my contact number is 555-1112.
Great, Steve. Then I'll get in contact with the owner first and contact you right away.
Thank you very much, Trevor.
Thank you for calling. Talk to you soon.
Bye. Hello, this is Steve speaking.
Hi, it's Trevor from Turtle Real Estate.
Ah, yes. Hi, Trevor.
I've got some great news for you. The owner has decided that it's okay to show you the house today between 2 to 3 p.m. Will you be able to visit the house during that time?
Yes, absolutely. That's fantastic. My wife and I will be there at 2 p.m.
Excellent. Then I'll see you at the house at 2 p.m. today.
Thank you immensely, Trevor. See you then.
Wow, it looks even better in real life.
It does, doesn't it?
Hi, you must be Steve. I'm Trevor from Turtle Real Estate.
Hi, Trevor. Nice to finally meet you. This is my wife, Jan.
Hello, Jan. Thank you for coming down today.
Thank you for arranging this house walkthrough on such short notice.
Just doing my job. I love helping people find their dream home. How about we have a look inside the house and meet the owner?
Sounds good.
This is the current owner, Matilda. Matilda, this is Steve and Jan.
Thank you very much for allowing us to see your home on short notice, Matilda.
Oh, no thanks necessary, young lady. I appreciate you both coming here. I've had some wonderful memories in this house. My husband and I raised our children here. I've seen my family grow and move out and get married, and my grandkids come by every now and then, but it's such a big house just for me. So it's time for me to move on. Do you have children?
Yes, boy and a girl.
Oh, wonderful. Then this house is perfect for you.
That's what we're hoping.
If you would excuse us, Matilda, I'd like to show Steve and Jan around the house.
Of course. By all means, please. Don't let me get in the way.
Here we have the main living room. As you can see, it's quite spacious. The fireplace is gas burning, so no need to chop wood. Lovely in the winter. And over here is the renovated kitchen. All new appliances and plumbing.
This is so lovely.
Now this is the downstairs bathroom. As you can see, modern and clean.
Very nice.
And right around the corner here are the stairs. Let's take a look at the second floor. Here we have the main bedroom with ensuite.
So spacious.
Over there across the hall, we have bedroom number 2 and number 3.
Perfect for the kids. I'll bet Brent wants the far one.
Probably.
If you look out the window here, you can get a great look at the backyard.
Wow, it's huge. I couldn't tell from the pictures.
That will be a lot of lawn to worry about. The mowing alone will take twice as long as our old place.
I don't mind. Mowing the lawn is my meditation.
You mean it's an hour you don't have to be in the house with the kids running around you?
With a yard this big, I'll get 2 hours of relaxation.
Shall we head downstairs and check out the backyard?
Sounds like a plan.
Oh, wow.
You have the large patio just outside the kitchen, and the large yard behind is perfect for entertaining friends and family for a barbecue or birthday party.
This place really is perfect, Steve.
It really is.
I don't think we're being hasty here. We've been looking at many places for months, and this is everything we've been looking for.
We love it. Let's do this.
We're very interested in buying the property. We'd like to put in a bid.
That's excellent. I'll let Matilda know, and then let's head to my office to begin the negotiations.
After discussing it with my wife, we would like to make an offer for the house. $485,000.
Okay, coming in low, I see. A perfectly reasonable starting bid. A bit lower than I expected. $40,000 less than the asking price. Unfortunately, we can't go that low.
$525,000 is still a little expensive for us. We'd love to negotiate, though.
Well, the owner has explicitly said to me she will not begin any negotiations with a price lower than $494,000. You have to remember this house is way undervalued by 20 to 30% of the current market price. I also have a potential new buyer from another state inquiring about this house as we speak.
$494,000 is as low as she'll go?
Yes. Unless you can offer a better bid, I'm afraid the owner won't even look at your offer.
Trevor, you said that the owner wants to sell this house quickly, right?
Yes.
Well, we're ready to put money down today. We're serious buyers and want this sale to move along quickly as well.
All right, then let's try and settle it here and now. I'd like to avoid too much back and forth on the price. Here's a pen and paper. Why don't you write down the highest price you're willing to pay? Be honest, and I'll take your offer to the owner.
Here.
Thank you. Okay, I'll get in touch with the owner to let her know of your offer. However, it might take a day or two to get back to you.
Of course, we totally understand.
Well, thank you for coming in today, Steve, Jan. I'll be in touch.
Thank you very much for your help today, Trevor.
Enjoy the rest of your day.
Hello?
Hi, Matilda. It's Trevor from Turtle Real Estate. Do you have a minute to talk?
Yes, certainly, dear.
You've got your first offer. They would like to buy the house for... Good afternoon, Turtle Real Estate. This is Trevor speaking. How may I help you?
Hello? I'm looking for an apartment to rent. I was wondering if you know any decent one-bedroom apartments that are currently listed? I couldn't find anything that I wanted online.
Actually, we do have a few that aren't listed online. We have some great listings all over the city. Do you have a specific location in mind?
Nowhere in particular, maybe around Camino? I work from home mostly, so I just need a nice place.
Okay, what's your monthly rental budget?
Realistically, around $375 to $500 per month.
Okay, let me see. As you know, it's not cheap to rent in Camino. We don't have any one-bedroom apartments within your budget, but we do have a few studio apartments. We have one on the East End that's for $480 a month.
A studio apartment? That's still a little pricey.
It's still within your budget, though.
Can you tell me a little bit more about this studio? Is it in a good part of Camino?
Sure. It's in a safe part of Camino with about a 20-minute walk to the nearest bus station. There's a great little grocery store and pharmacy only 5 minutes walk away. There's also a convenience store on the same street. The studio is on the 3rd floor, so there's a great view of the Capitol building. Total floor size is 30 square meters, and it has 1 bathroom.
Is that the only choice available?
In your price range, yes, I'm afraid so.
I see. I do have a few questions.
Sure, fire away.
Well, I need references for my application.
Yes, absolutely. Ideally, your last 2 landlords.
Okay. Am I allowed to decorate the apartment, paint it?
Unfortunately, no. The landlord clearly stipulates in the rental contract that he wants the studio to be left exactly as it is. Otherwise, you risk losing all your security deposit.
And how much is the security deposit?
You'll need 3 months' worth of rent up front when you sign the rental lease, which is the first and last month's rent, as well as a month worth of rent.
I see. How long is the lease?
It's a 2-year lease.
What would happen if I needed to break the lease early?
Depending on the circumstances, you probably won't get your security deposit back. But more importantly, it could negatively affect your future rental references. It's never a good idea to break your lease early.
Of course. What about emergencies like broken appliances or repairs?
The landlord will naturally cover those costs.
Okay, I think I've covered everything. Thanks for being patient.
Not a problem. Would you want to schedule a viewing of the studio? We could arrange something this week.
Yeah, that'd be great. How about next?
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share our videos. Okay, see you next time. Bye!